Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you on how to do a knotless braid. As you can see, we are not using any, as my client today doesn't want gel on her hair. So the extension that I'm using, it's a color 2 darling hair. You can find it in all of your local stores in South Africa, or even at Takealot they do sell, or Amazon. I really love the texture of this hair. It's really good, especially for curls, and if you want your hair to look good. It lasts over a month. It looks clean and shining. I will leave the name on the description. As you can see, I am done with the back and it's looking so nice and clean. So I am going to show you guys on how I managed to get this knotless braids. Firstly, you will part your hair and you will section it. So you will separate your hair into 3 sections. Hold 2 strands on your left hand and the other one on the right. Then you will just cross over the hair to the right and over to the left continuously until you have braided feather from the scalp. Then you will add a piece of strand into the hair. So when you do the knotless braid, you will start by braiding out the client's hair down before you can add the extension. When adding the extension from the start, it can kind of make a bulky from the scalp. That's why I don't start by adding the extension. That's why we call it a knotless braid. You don't start adding extension from the beginning of the hair, from the roots. You will have to part the hair first and add it. It makes it easy for the scalp to not have tension. It makes the tension on the scalp. So you will keep on adding extension and braiding the hair down. As you're braiding down, you will keep on adding extension until you reach the desired length and size of braids you want. And please guys, don't mind the background. It was just a busy day, so yes, just don't mind the background.
Look at her. Look at her, mama, man. Look at her. That ain't my girl. That's my nigga. Catch me out on Ocean Drive with her. Hey, catch me in the whip, ride with her. Hey, sipping something, bumping big, hypnotized with her. Pray you get that job in Tampa. That's only 4 hours away.
So here you see I just did a small knot to secure the hair, since that we will be doing curls on the bottom. If you would like a video of how I do my curls, please comment down below. Then I will make a video where I do my curls, where I add curls on the braids. As you can see, we are starting again. I start braiding the hair, then I add a little bit of extension, and make sure guys, don't add much more extension because it won't look nice. So just add a little bit while braiding it down. And again, avoid using a lot of extension, adding a lot of expansion. It makes the braids look uneven. So when you're braiding, just make sure that you braid your braids accordingly. You will use the same size, smaller pieces. When you're going down, you will just add a little bit, not a lot, but just a little bit of hair so that it can have volume. So guys, I will leave you guys watch the rest of the video. Please give me a thumbs up if you love the video. Please make sure to subscribe as I am going to be posting weekly. Please turn on the notification bell. Please comment down below with the heart if you love it, and just share with me your thoughts on what do you think about this hairstyle. And please like the video, guys. Please watch this video to the end because it really came out so nice. The braids are really beautiful, guys, so I would really appreciate it if you could watch this video till the end. Enjoy the rest of the video. Bye, love y'all.